morning, guys. Right now it is 4:30 in the morning, and I am out on a mission today to show you guys that how we serve our community. So ahead of me is George. So George is the person who heads everything and looks after the entire operations of it. And right now we are going towards Vaikala to buy groceries and vegetables for the event, which I will be showing you in a while. Pardon me for the lot of wind disturbance and all, as my primary camera decided to give it up on me on the last moment, so I have to do it on the secondary camera which I have right now. So I know audio won't be doing justice right now, but let's hope that it will be getting fine soon. So just to give you a little background is George and me used to study with the same sir for tuitions, which is nearby to my place. His name is Shekhar sir, and so he does a lot of charity thing for the community and all. He has moved his kitchen to Mahim, and he has a team of volunteers to work with him. And a day-to-day basis, he serves minimum of 285 to 320 people with food, and he does it very passionately. So that is what motivated me to cover it in my blog. So I decided to give it a bit of a, you can say, a video touch of it, so that people who might willingly need to like pitch in, they will have a clear idea that what exactly has been done with their money post we receive it. So what I will be doing is, if you like this entire concept and the working of George, so you can definitely get in touch with him and donate any amount which you want. I'll be sharing his contact number in the bio of this video, so that it is much more easier for you guys. We have reached Bhaikala market to buy the vegetables. So the reason we do it is you get a lot cheaper here, as this is a bulk market, you can call it as a wholesale also, and direct farmers to customers market also. So you get it in a very discounted rate, and as this is a charity work, every rupee count, and he turns all the stones to get the best price for the best quality of the vegetables. I'm doing a Jugadu setup right now. So yeah, the entire setup is make a shift. So if you come in the afternoon part, there won't be anything. All these trucks are loaded with veggies. There are 2-3 markets. One is in Kurla, one is in Bhaikala, and this one, another one is in Dadar. So yeah. How George looks now after collecting the vegetables for the day, and this is just for a day. Okay, so usually what we make here is roughly around 300 people's food. And that has like a good amount of quantity per person. So now he is like fully loaded with vegetables and whatnot. So let's see how will be the making process, the distribution process, so that if you guys want to join in, so you have a clear idea that what exactly do we do here. And this will give you an inside view also, and mind it that we do this entire process with a lot of precaution and safety, with mask, gloves, and a lot of sanitizer, like literally a lot of sanitizer. Gone are the days when people used to smell perfumes out of people. Now it is just different sanitizers from everyone. Apparently cops came in and they started shutting down the entire market, as social distancing needs to be taken care, and this markets are very notorious in those terms where they don't follow usually social distancing norms. So every 15-20 minutes there will be a cop who will be coming up and will ask people to leave, and they are very polite to everyone. I have not seen them talking rude to any vegetable vendors also. they simply ask people to shut down their shop and like move. If you don't have mask, they will ask you to wear a mask very nicely. That is again a very good job done by them. Also taken into consideration the amount of duty hours they are working right now. So I've reached Mahim, the place where we are supposed to make the entire food, and this is really like a nice view of ceiling here. This is Mahim Kolivada, and George stays here. Gym for the lockdown, and yeah, my boys are up there, and this is the daily workout. So yeah, it's fun and tiring as well, but early morning sense. So yeah, for a lot of people, Mumbai, when you say, they think of this, but what Mumbai is actually, it is made of this. Just look at the view, bro. That's Worli ceiling. That's reclamation for you. That side it is Worli. This is Shivaji Park. And we have Yogesh and Suresh doing the honors of chopping the onions for the meal. And they will be roughly chopping around 10 kgs of onion, which my boy Suresh was on from a very long time. So we are done with onions. The second ingredient is going to be carrots. Then we got beans also with us. So this is like 5 kgs of beans, and we got cauliflower as well. Again 5 kgs and 5 kgs of carrot. So we have the entire set of volunteers along with their family members. So these are all cousins and brothers and sisters and son of Kuldeep, and of course George. So this is the entire lot of vegetables that will be going in today, and today we are looking at serving around 300 to 350 people roughly. So we got a little bit of surprise here. So Kuldeep here is also a beatboxer. He will do a small gig for us. Kuldeep, can you? Thank you, Kuldeep. So I'll be linking his Instagram ID or Facebook ID in the bio. Go subscribe and follow this guy as well. So we have Suresh here who is doing the potatoes. He's chopping it in two, so that makes it easy to boil. Then we have Agnel who is doing the beans. Then we have Yogesh who is doing... He's done with the tomatoes, and he's also the chef for the day. And then we have the beat boy guy, Kuldeep, who is right now struggling with capsicum. We have already begun cooking now. So Mr. Yogesh will be the chef for the day, and he will be explaining us what are we going to make for the lunch and the quantity of it. So Yogesh ji, आज क्या बनाने वाले हैं हम?
वेज पुलाव बना है
और
कम से कम 25 किलो चावल, जिसमें 350-400 लोग खाना खा सकते हैं, वो हिसाब से हम बना रहे हैं। हम यूज़ कर रहे 4 लीटर जो तेल जाएगा, और फिर जो टमाटर है वो 10 किलो टमाटर है, 10 से 12 किलो टमाटर है, 10 किलो कांदा है, 10 किलो बटाटा है। फिर इसमें दूसरे वेजिटेबल जैसे अपना गाजर है, फिर अपना शिमला मिर्च है इसके लिए।
और ये कितने लोगों के लिए खाना बनेगा आज?
कम से कम 400 लोगों का खाना।
अच्छा, और ये हर डे मेन्यू चेंज होते रहता है?
चेंज होता है। आज पुलाव बना रहे, अभी अंडा बिरयानी देता है। त्यामध्ये दूध, आलं, लसूण आणि मिरची ह्याचं पेस्ट करून याच्यामध्ये टाकलं आहे. आणि आता ते जरा शिजवल्यानंतर मग त्याच्यामध्ये कांदे टाकले. कांदा जरा शिजवायचं. कांदा जरा शिजवलं, कांद्याचा कलर पण थोडं चेंज झालं, थोडं हलकं लाल कलरसारखं झालं का कांदा. आता याच्यामध्ये आपण टॅमॅटो टाकू. पहिलं आपण हळदीचं पावडर टाकूया 100 ग्रामचं. हे लाल मसाला, मिरची पावडर. म्हणून सर्वात अगोदर बटाटे टाकायला, कारण बटाटे टाकल्यामुळे लोकल थोडं शिजायला टाईम लागते आणि ते व्यवस्थित जेव्हा जेवण बनते त्या हिशोबाने ते बटाटे लोकच मानले जाते.
और ये हमारा अपना बीट बॉक्सर काम करते हुए.
आणि आता बीन्स आणि कॅरेट टाकलं जाणार याच्यामध्ये. बीन्स आणि कॅरेट चांगलं व्यवस्थित धुवून ते टाकलं जातं. वास येते, त्याची सुगंध आम्ही घेऊ शकतो.
सगळे मसाले चांगले ब्लेंड झाले तर आता वास चांगला यायला लागला आहे.
आता शिमला मिर्च टाकायला लावले, कारण आता सर्वात लास्ट आम्ही कॉलीफ्लॉवर टाकतो.
आज कुलदीप ने फुटेज में आने के लिए बहुत काम किया एक्स्ट्रा. रेगुलर तो काम करता ही है बंदा, और आज कुछ ज़्यादा. ये मैडम यूजुअली बनाती है, पर आज सर है करके आज सर कर रहे हैं. सो शी इज़ दी मास्टर शेफ़ बिहाइंड ऑल दी शेफ़. और ये इधर बैठे हमारे करता धरता फाइनेंसर साहब, मैनेजर, जो बोलो वो.
हे मीठ जाडं मीठ आहे आणि हे ह्याच्याने जेवढं टेस्ट येते ना थोडं बारीक मीठ आणि टेस्ट येते. त्याच्यामध्ये 28 किलो तांदूळ टाकले जातात. आणि व्हेज पुलावचा मसाला आहे हे वरतून टाकतो. आणि अजून ह्याला बोलतात गरम मसाला. आणि जसं पाणी कमी होत जाणार तसं याला अजून कलर व्यवस्थित येतो. आणि हे ओरिजिनल आजचीच घी आहे, हे घी आम्ही टाकायला त्याची जरा वास अजून मस्त आहे ना. हे कोथिंबीर आहे. आणि थोडं वरतून असे लिंबू थोडं पिळून टाकायला लागलं, लिंबूचं ज्यूस करून. आता हे राईस पॅकिंगसाठी काढायला लावलं आहे. बघा किती मस्त दिसतं दिसायला, कलर वगैरे त्याचं.
So now this is the technique which they are going to use to lift the rice. This should be somewhere around 25 to 30 kg plus. So hi guys, we are done with the preparation of food now, and the packing process is going to start. So we have here volunteers who come daily to support us and help us. So I will be doing this honor of introducing all the volunteers, and we do take care of all the hygiene measures like using sanitizers, gloves and masks. So the introduction of the volunteers. So first we will be going with Suresh. So we take all the measures to be very cautious about the hygiene factor, as we know that the current pandemic is going on and we have a pure motive of helping out people. Then we have our man behind the entire army, George Bush. And then the name is
Gloria.
Gloria. So all of these are students as well. So they help us a lot in this.
Kuldeep.
Kuldeep is my beatboxing guy.
Hi, my name is Pratham.
So Pratham looks like a GTA thief right now, but he is a nice guy. Then we have Navnath. Navnath is also known as Sanju Baba of Mahima. Then we have man behind the entire food thing.
My name is Yogesh.
So he had made the entire preparation and rest of the gang has helped him with the vegetables and all. And now they will start packing. The entire team has geared up with all the essential stuff and very excited to do the packing stuff. So we have here veg biryani as well as some eggs to be given to each and every packet which we will be serving today. And also there is this cute little girl
Israela.
and she is very shy. Okay, so we expect you guys to support, help others, and if you want to help us or support us guys, do check my bio and you can contact directly George and you can directly get in touch with him. You can give us kind or cash. George will guide you that what we need exactly. So this is sort of a packaging process which has been set. So two people, they fill the entire container and then there are rest of the gang which close the lid and make sure that the food is securely packed. So roughly we will be doing today around 400 packages and then I will be also showing you how we distribute. So this is sort of a packaging process which has been set. So two people, they fill the entire container and then there are rest of the gang which close the lid and make sure that the food is securely packed. So roughly we will be doing today around 400 packages and then I will be also showing you how we distribute. We have done with the food preparation and packing part. So the route which we are taking is Mahim, Shivaji Park, Dadar and again back to Shivaji Park once we are done with the Dadar TT circle. And then forward we will be going towards Haji Ali and Nariman Point and covering that entire part of Mumbai also. So right now I am following two of the volunteers who are there with me. One is there on the Activa who is right ahead of us and the other guy has left a bit early. So we will be catching him soon. Sorry for the blur footage. Apparently it is raining very heavily and I don't have any other option but to give a footage like this covering my camera with plastic. So right now there are two guys who we are offering food. There's some information which I would like to share. This current work is going on from past 2 months or more than 2 months now, and that too the quality of food you might be imagining the amount of love which all the volunteers and all the heads have put in. We even do provide rations to family and so volunteers will keep on asking people whether they want food and they will keep offering food. And it is raining, so probably today we might face difficulty to figure out those people because usually all of us know what are their locations, and now as it is raining people will not be there at their respective locations and we have to literally find them to offer them food. Eagerly waiting for us and as I told you, see, that's the other guy. As it is raining, so everybody's spot has changed, so we need to if you feel so that this job has been done nicely and properly, definitely give a shout out to all the volunteers here. So just a quick update. So we have reached near Sobu Center. This is right outside Sobu Center. We have completed the entire area of Dadar, Shivaji Park and Mahim. So these are the other volunteers. So this is one more bike and the other one is somewhat ahead of us. So if you have reached till this part of the video, do subscribe to my channel, go follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and if you like to support us, the description will contain all the details from sponsoring us to the Facebook page and contact information of George. So thank you guys watching this video. This is our last stop. This is in town itself near to Ambani's place. And it was really a nice day showing you guys what we guys do every day. My day started at 4:30 in the morning, right from getting vegetables to cutting and chopping, cooking it, packing it, everything, saying prayers and helping people with a smile and offering them food. It is a really nice experience. I would urge you to celebrate your one birthday or anniversary with us. Come and join our hands with us. Of course, we take all the precautions of wearing a mask, sanitizers and gloves. So don't worry on that part, and come forward and help your community.